Hanlees Kia is a family-owned business serving the Bay Area, Sacramento, and Napa Valleys for close to 30 years. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with 6-speaker audio system, trailer stability control, electronic brake force distribution, USB auxiliary audio input, in-dash rear view monitor, braking assist, latch system child seat anchors, hill holder control, single front air conditioning zones, electronic brake force distribution, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Hanlees Kia has always been a leader in the community, donating vehicles, school supplies, sporting equipment, scholarships, and cash funds throughout the Contra Costa, Napa, Solano, Yolo, Sacramento, and Alameda counties. All of our used cars 10 years old or newer with less than 150,000 miles come with a complimentary 3-month or 3,000-mile powertrain warranty at no charge to you. So come visit Hanlees Kia today